Hi, this is Cedar from PuffCuff coming to you with a short tutorial on how to do a low side puff using the PuffCuff Junior, which is about the size of the palm of your hand. So these are 2-day-old curls that I'm just kind of want to get a little bit more life out of. So I'm going to do side puff, kind of just refreshing, giving a little bit more moisture. Of course, got my trusty brown Eco Gel, and I'm just going to brush my hair in that direction. And what you'll notice is I do not have to brush through my hair. Like I always say, PuffCuff works best when your hair is at its most dense state. I'm just going to smooth it down. This is a good position. Open wide. Take it shut. Low side puff, quick, easy, no fuss, no drama, and it doesn't hurt. Have a blessed day.